Concrete. Like all building materials, it deteriorates over time, sometimes by acid rain, other times by wear and tear. There are several ways to deal with a damaged concrete structure. Do nothing, try a quick fix, tear it down, or try Hydrodemolition. It's amazing. Behold the Aquacutter, the most versatile and advanced hydrodemolition robot in the world. The Aquacutter is connected to a high-pressure unit, a power pack. Together, they're like a sports car and a racing garage. Basically, everything you'll ever need for your contracts in one place. Water, the most natural thing there is, essential for most things in life, and hydrodemolition. Just pump fresh water from an appropriate water source, and you're good to go. Inside the power pack, the water passes through filters, a stabilizer tank, a booster pump, and a high-pressure pump. With the help from a powerful diesel engine and state-of-the-art engineering, you'll achieve the desired pressure and flow. The water leaves the power pack and travels through the high-pressure hose to the Aquacutter. Thereafter, the water hits the concrete at supersonic speed. And this is where the action begins. The key element of hydrodemolition is to pressurize and widen pores and microcracks using high-pressure water penetration. A ceramic nozzle creates a highly concentrated jet of water. The combination of pressure and flow, the precise movements of the Aquacutter, and the incredible force through the ceramic jet nozzle creates amazing results. The Aquacutter is powered by a diesel engine or an electric motor. The operation is fully automated and easy to configure on the operator's panel. Everything's monitored by an operator with a remote control at a safe distance. You can use our technology for all kinds of operations and applications, from tight spaces indoors to bridges, roads, runways, tunnels, power plants, and walls. The sky's the limit. The Equal Distance System, EDS, is one of Aquajet's great and patented innovations. With EDS, you'll keep a preset distance from the nozzle to the concrete surface, regardless of the attack angle. This means more water jet power and higher production rates. Another great thing is the ability to cut geometrical shapes like circles, triangles, and squares. Just program your shape on the display or draw on the surface. Easy to use, time-saving, and extremely efficient. Hydrodemolition is ideal for removing selected parts without damaging the rebar. Basically, you leave the good concrete and reinforcements undamaged. Superior as technique, as durable as a new structure. It's the sustainable way to protect and preserve concrete constructions. No cracks, no jackhammers, no problems. Just Hydrodemolition by Aquajet Systems.